Hello everyone, once again let me take this opportunity to welcome you back to this channel. So today we are proceeding with whatever we have been doing, but today we want to explore more on include function. We know that this one copies the content of a file, maybe in PHP, HTML text, and include in other PHP files. And this makes the website to become, or the sections of the website to become more reusable when needed. So with me, I'm going to let me ensure my server is running. So I go to the start and then start that, and then I can make sure that the Apache is started and also the MySQL is also started. Then I can minimize this to my taskbar, and then I can double click on my Chrome here, or my favorite browser, to test if my server is working properly. To test if my server is working properly. Let me do away with all this. I have got it. So here I can just type the default IP address, which is maybe 127.0.0.1, that way. And here, this is the folder that I will be working with. That's the library. That's the folder that I'll be working more precisely with. This is the folder that we shall be working with. So to open where this folder is located, I can just go back, and then I can so it seems that there is one that is working, so I can go to this my folder here, where then I can go to this PC here, then I can go to the drive C XAMPP, then htdocs. So this is the library that I am in. So it seems that it is opening one of these, but currently we had opened this, so I can right click, and then maybe I can open it with maybe edit it with the notepad+, or let's see. So this is the code that we had earlier on written. So I can go back to it, and then here the one that is being opened under these, let me try to remove them here, so that I think this one is the one that is being opened. Let me just do away with it, and then let me try to refresh here. You see what happens. Yeah, good. So now you can see we have done with that. So the one that we want to open it is this. So this is the folder, this is the file that you are working with the other day. So I want us and to locate where this one is located. It is this. So I can just click it, and then I can maybe head it with the notepad++. So this is the folder that we had. So you can see in this, maybe here we don't have any header at the top here. So let me locate one which has some header here. Maybe here we have this. I can just edit it and open it to see how it is. So you can see we had started some sessions in others. So we want to see if we can have this one included. This folder, we see if we can be able to include it. So, and before that, there is also the one here that maybe there is the footer here. I can maybe open it also to see how it looks like. So you can see here I have the good footer looking. So this footer, let me see how we can include it in our file here. So to have it included, maybe I can just go to where this file is, which is n2 this, and then I want to include it below here. below here. So I can just come here and then sorry, and then below there we can maybe have the include function, and this we need to put it under the PHP. Alright, and then we can have the crossing tag that way. Then inside here we want to have it, so here I'm going to have the include function here, maybe include, then remember function is always like that, and then followed by that. And then inside here I can have maybe the footer. This is the file, the source code or the file that we want to include, so I can have it here being footer, maybe dot php, that is the extension. And then maybe I can save it there, and then I can refresh it here and see. And here you can see we already have a footer that is included here. Maybe we can try to edit something inside this our file here and save it, so that you can see what we mean by that. So if there is anything that I try, maybe here I can say this one, my email, maybe it is not that, and then I say that my email is maybe Morris maybe 79 at or maybe that, and then maybe I can give my number here to be maybe 59, maybe 606 or maybe 606 563, and then I can do away with this and then try to save it here. So I don't need to come here to this and save here also, as long as I have edited that. If I reload this by page, so you can see it is with the online library. If I try to reload it like that, it automatically changes to whatever I have done. So that is how we can maybe have the PHP file included to our website. Maybe for example, for it to look nice, maybe we can see here we don't have the header, so I just need to copy only this. Let me just copy only this from here. I just need only to copy that. Maybe I can just copy it, and then here I can come and create maybe a new file, and then I can paste that, and then let me just take the upper part, the HTML file. I have to body there. I can just copy it also. Then I can just come here, and then I can give a space and go there on top, and then from there maybe I can paste whatever I had copied that way, and then still I can go back to it, and then go back to the bottom here, and then pick this, and then also copy it, and then go to this, and then below here, and below there I can have it pasted like that. Sorry, this one should be, I have copied it halfway, so I can have this one is HTML, and then I can have this crossing there like that. So I can just come here, then save it, and I can say save as, and then I want to save it still here, and then this one I can save it as maybe index. Maybe let me have the extension of HTML, not necessarily to be the PHP only, and then I can save it like that there, like that. So that is the one that we want to maybe include at the top there of this file here. And then remember, I can just copy this, and then maybe I can come at the top there. Here is where I want it to be, and then I can give a space there, and then maybe here, and then remember this one we had given it a name, maybe index. It was index dot, the extension is HTML. Remember, we can include function can be used with the files, and also it can be included with these. Let me save it there, and then let me try to reload my page here. And there at the top here, you can see now I have the header, although it is not well done. There is no anything that I have done to this. So you can see I have it there. If I want to edit this and give a different name, I just need to go to where the file is located, maybe here, and then from there maybe I can just go and say this is maybe feedback. This is feedback, maybe page, that way. And then I can try to save it just like that, and then I can try to refresh on my, and here you can see I can be able to have it done like that. If the styling to do away with the maybe the stylings, I can do it where it is located. So that is how we can include. And maybe, for example, here below here, before this footer, if there is another small page, maybe I can create maybe with a different, not necessarily to be a full page like this to save. Remember, also I can include it within. So that is how we can include use the include function within our website. And this one will be very important when we shall be discussing about how we can config or how we can connect the database and the front end of our website, so that we can be able to reload. So any changes that you need to make, you don't need to make throughout, but you have to make from one page while included the others. So that's how we can work with the include function. And that brings us to the end of this session. I was your trainer, Maurice Morene. If you found this video of importance to you, please consider subscribing, like, and share it so that it can reach more people, and also we can increase. The only thing that you need to remember is subscribe, like, and share, so that we can increase this community of running programming. Thank you.